Hi guys, it's me, ColorMeCassie, and today I'm here to do my Boxycharm unboxing for February of 2018. So guys, I got my February Boxycharm and I've just been really busy, so I'm finally sitting down to be able to film this. And I just wanted to go through and let you guys know what I thought of it. I haven't seen it at all yet, so I'm very excited to jump right into this thing. But before we get started, if you guys have not yet met me before, hi, my name is Cassie. It's nice to meet you. And I would love for you to become friends with me on the internet because that sounds like a fun time to me. So how you can do that is by scrolling down below and hitting that red subscribe button. And don't worry, subscribing doesn't cost anything. It's free, so why not? Why not do it? And if you're already subscribed and part of my family on the internet, welcome to the video. I'm glad to see you guys again. Let's jump right into the unboxing. So I got a little card in here that gives me 20% off at CoverFX. It looks like it's a code that anyone can use. So if you guys want to go to coverfx.com, feel free to use the code on this card, which is FXCharm. Do it. And it looks like the theme for this month is Galaxy Glow. That's kind of a cool theme. I'm excited to see what that means. I kind of feel like it would be awesome if we had glow-in-the-dark makeup. But I don't know if that's like a thing or not. But I kind of really hope there's glow-in-the-dark makeup in here. So the first thing I see in here is the Naked Cosmetics Holographic Highlighter Collection. Ooh, the packaging is super holographic, you guys. We'll see if the highlighters are actually holographic. Hardly anything these days that says it's holographic is holographic. But we'll just have to see about that. So trying to get it out of this little sleeve here is actually nearly impossible. The sleeve is really tight. That's pretty though. It's a pretty sleeve. And the packaging is the same holographicness. I don't understand the point of the sleeve then. So far, this is not feeling super holographic. We have mostly just colored highlighters. They really remind me of the Kat Von D Alchemist palette. Actually, I think these are very similar in color to the Kat Von D Alchemist palette. So that is definitely really fun to be able to get. They're not feeling super duper pigmented. I definitely like the consistency of the Anastasia Beverly Hills and the Kat Von D highlighters better. They just don't feel as nice as those other brands of highlighters that I've tried before, but definitely still really cool and definitely something I'm excited to use. It looks like for the most part they don't have an under pigment, if that makes sense, but it doesn't really look like you're wearing a highlighter until you see the reflect on it. So that's why I'm not sure if you guys will be able to tell. But that is definitely really cool to get in this box. It says the Naked Cosmetics Holographic Highlighter Palette is worth $40. So I probably wouldn't spend $40 on this because you can get the Anastasia Beverly Hills ones for that price. But I think it's definitely a really good thing in the box. And I think this is definitely worth at least $30 to me. So this pays for the box already, which is super exciting. This is what I love about Boxycharm. I am always wowed by the first item in the box with how much it covers in value of the box. So this is really cool to get, and I'm excited to be able to have this be the first item in the box. The next thing I have in here is a Crown Brush 3-piece trio. Can't get the packaging. It's Cassie proof. Finally. How hard do they want it to be for me here? Okay, so these are the 3 brushes we got. One is a really small buffing looking. I don't know. I've never really used a brush like this before. I feel like it might be good for blending out your contour or something like that. But I don't use the size of brush very often, so I'll have to see what I think about that. The next brush is kind of like a blush brush. These are all feeling really nice and soft. The build of it doesn't feel super nice. This is definitely a little plastic handle here. That's not the greatest thing ever. And then the last brush here is like a flat shader brush. Definitely good for packing color on the eye. And I'm sure these are all synthetic because they're white bristled with pink tops. So it says the cost of this trio is $30. That comes out to about $10 for brush on average, and I'd say that's probably close to right, maybe a little bit on the high side, but that's definitely affordable for 3 brushes, $10 a piece. My guess is this one would be more like a $15 brush, and then the rest of the value would be split between these two, $15, $7.50 sort of thing. So I love getting brushes in my boxes, and I feel like these really help with the value as well. So far we got $30 to $40 in the Naked palette and around $30 in this, so $60-ish dollars. And I'd say that's definitely decent for a $20 box so far. The next thing I'm seeing in here is a vintage by Jessica Lieberskind smoky eye pencil in jet black. So this is just an eyeliner. It feels pretty creamy, so that's definitely something that I'm going to use, and definitely a cool product to get in the box. And it says the MSRP of this pencil is $21. That's definitely not what I would pay for it. For a pencil like this, I would pay probably at most 10 bucks. Maybe 11 bucks. It does feel really nice, but for me, pencils are one of those things that should not be that expensive unless they're a brand that I really know and trust and the product is phenomenal. Phenomenal. So, you know, I'm comfortable saying we're up to around $70, $75, something like that. The next thing in here is a Bella Pierre Cosmetics Cosmic Purple. It looks like it's just a glitter. And it's going everywhere, making a mess with glitter. So it is definitely not a pigment or anything. It is a full out glitter. I don't know if you guys can see, but I put a little bit of glitter on my hand right here. Maybe it's hard to see. I put it in a bad spot. Bad spot for the glitter. But anyways, here's the Bella Pierre glitter. So that's what it looks like right there. I'm gonna be honest, I don't use loose glitter so much in my makeup. I feel like they're more hassle than they're worth, and I have plenty of shimmery, glittery eyeshadows that definitely pack on the pigment and the sparkle that I don't need so many glitters. Occasionally, I'll put on a glitter to amp up my look, but that is just not something that I do very often. So I probably will not end up using this a whole ton, but definitely something that's fun to get in my collection. And purple is a great color because it's great on anybody. Anybody looks good with purple on. And the last thing I'm seeing here is a Cover FX Shimmer Veil. It doesn't say the color. What is this? What is this? Ooh, I don't know what you are. This multi-use shimmering cream colors are crease-proof, enough for the boldest eye looks, and formulated with a weightless finish for a shimmering effect anywhere on the face, suitable for all skin tones. This is really cool. So my first impression is it's kind of like a highlighting product or an eyeshadow. This is gonna be fun, you guys. Do you see that? That is gonna be really cool. This is definitely a really fun duochrome purpley type thing, and I'm loving it. I'm really excited to get to use this on my face and on my eyes and see how it does. This is definitely something that's really, really fun to get in this box because Cover FX is a really expensive brand, so that's really, really cool to get. Oh, I forgot to tell you the price of the Cosmic Glitter. That was $15. I think that's around fair for a glitter. I'm not exactly sure what glitters go for because I don't really buy them very often. And the Cover FX Shimmer Veil has an MSRP of $28, and I think that's fair. Cover FX products tend to be really, really good, really high quality, and this is cool. It's like got purple and pink and blue in it, and I'm excited about it. I think it's pretty, and I want to smear it all over my face so I can look like a holographic disco ball. It's not actually holographic, it's just duochrome, but I like it. I like it a lot. So overall in this box we got a lot of really, really fun stuff, all makeup products, and the theme of Galaxy Glow was kind of a holographic theme, which I think is really fun. We got 3 brushes, an eyeliner, a glitter, a highlighter, and another cream eyeshadow highlighter type thing. We have about $134 in value, and I think that's awesome. Boxycharm has hardly ever let me down, and I usually love everything that's in it. If you're thinking about getting one box, this is the one I would definitely recommend over all others. Splurge, do the $20 box, get Boxycharm, because if you're a makeup lover like me, then you will love the stuff that you get in this box. Usually it tends to be brands that I really like, brands that I know already, and I always get way, way, way over the value of the box. So definitely a really good value in Boxycharm, and I'd highly recommend it. What product did you like the most in this month's Boxycharm? Let me know in the comments down below, and let me know what your favorite subscription box is, and if you'd like me to do any others, because I want to do videos that you guys want to see. And if you're not yet subscribed, make sure you do so by scrolling down and clicking that red subscribe button down below. That's pretty much it. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!